We're talking about the geological principles. Our explanation of the way the Earth works is models.
The first rule of the geological principle is uniformitarianism. Uniformitarianism is the process of Earth of how the Earth has stayed the same throughout geological history. So an example of it is that everything that happens today, like storms or like having an earthquake, it happens the same back then in the past.
This is the law of superposition. So these are the layers that were put on the Earth. So like for example, like this A would be like the oldest that was put on Earth, and like the newest would be E, or the youngest. And then like the layers of the Earth was caused by like dust buildup, glaciers, animal decompositions.
In the law of superposition, there's also something called deposition. For example, there's like living things die, the laying down of the material, bodies of waters, volcanoes, and glaciers.
So this is the second rule of geological principles. This is the principle of lateral continuity. The strata is like it goes in all directions, and then it eventually thins out.
This is a chart of the principle of lateral community or whatever. So this chart works that the land, or how it was back then, it wasn't always straight. The lines weren't, like, the layers weren't always like perfect straight lines. They were like, it depends what happened during that time. So like, let's say like during the first era, yeah, down here, like a glacier passed by, so left a little bit, but then like more on one side than the other. So yeah, just affected the layers.
The third rule of geological principles is the principle of cross-cutting relationships. So any formation that crosses another is always younger than the strata or a layer it crosses.
This is the principle of cross-cutting relationships. So basically what this chart is showing us is that the number 3 was the first layer thrown down, and it's still radically growing.
Okay, the fourth geological principle is the principle of faunal succession. Organisms have fossilized during the time period in which they lived and can be found in reliable order. Thanks for watching our video about geological principles. Yeah, bye.